Hello and good morning. Thank you that you can join me as I take my weather observation here in our neighborhood, Lorne Park, Lakeshore, Mississauga, Ontario, Canada. It's Tuesday, March 12, 2024. It's 8:45 in the morning. We've got overcast skies this morning at 8 octaves. Temperature, it's above freezing at plus 0.2 degrees Celsius, and the pressure is rising at 1011.8 millibars, and the air quality reading is at 17.3 microgram per cubic meter for fine particulate matter at 2.5 microns. Precipitation wise, empty rain gauge. So no rain or snow in the past 24 hours. Well, if you have been following me, I mentioned about this concept of climate normal earlier this week and how it's being calculated to determine what's the normal or average at this time of the year. Well, speaking of normal, the numbers are in for the meteorological winter, which means covers the month of December, January, and February. And last night, the Canadian Weather Agency released the statement about the state of Canada's winter this past winter. And no surprise, it has been a mild winter all across Canada, well above average, and in some locations it's actually one of the mildest winters ever recorded. You might have seen in my daily videos that it's either we're getting rain or it's above freezing temperature in the winter, which is quite unusual, and that resulted in less snow this past winter and also more days above zero this past winter as well. And if you expand the the microcosm into macrocosm, the Copernicus Climate Change Service also indicated that February 2024 was the warmest on record, and it was the 9th consecutive month actually globally to set a new record. And in fact, the temperature right now, the global average temperature, is around 1.77 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial average, which in many ways it's quite concerning, because as you all know, nature is quite a fragile ecosystem, and those drastic changes, more than 1.5 degrees Celsius, could definitely disrupt the nature of things. So as you go about your day today, think about how you can help reduce your carbon footprint, and also you do the usual ways to minimize your footprint in the world, i.e. the 3 R's, right? The reduce, reuse, and recycle. And of course, if you can, have a walk. Walk is always a nice, especially if you have nice weather. Well, friends, wherever you are, remember that the sun is always there and the cloud shall eventually pass. Have an awesome day. See you again tomorrow. Take care.